Okay, still working in intermediate algebra, section 3.3. We're going to pick up on page 108 with example 11. Okay, example 11 asks us to find the area of this rectangle, and if you recall, the area of a rectangle is found by multiplying length times width. So to find the area of this rectangle, we're going to multiply the length times the width. So that would be 2x plus 5 times x plus 3. And I'm going to write that down here. 2x plus 5 times x plus 3. This is a binomial times a binomial. So to multiply these together, we're going to use distributive property. So 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x times 3, 6x. 5 times x, 5x. 5 times 3, 15. And of course, always look for the like terms in the middle. So 2x squared plus 11x plus 15 would be the area of this rectangle. Example 12 asks us again to find the area of this square. And of course, it's a square because all the sides measure the same. The area of a square is the same as the area of a rectangle, length times width. Sometimes people will abbreviate that as side squared because the length and the width are identical. It's the same as squaring any one side, but I'm going to go with length times width. So the area of this square will be x plus 5, the length, times the width, x plus 5. And again, that's going to be distribute x squared plus 5x plus 5x plus 25. Combine the like terms in the middle. We get x squared plus 10x plus 25 because 5x plus 5x makes 10x. All right, example 13 on the top of page 109 tells us that the perimeter of the square pictured is 76. So we know the perimeter of this square is 76 and ask us to find or solve for x. In order to do that, you need to know the formula for perimeter of a square. Perimeter of a rectangle is 2 times length plus 2 times width. Perimeter of a square is 4 times the side. In other words, to find perimeter, you would add this side plus this side plus this side plus this side. But because it's a square, that's the same as multiplying times 4 on one of the sides. So the perimeter of a square is equal to 4 times one of the sides. If we know that perimeter is 76, we can replace this p with 76. And we can replace s with x plus 5 since the sides measure x plus 5. And we have this really nice equation here now that we know how to solve for x. We're going to distribute 4 and then we'll isolate the x. So that would be 76 equals 4x plus 20 we're going to subtract this 20 from both sides now. We get 56 equals 4x. Oops, that's not an x. And then we're going to divide by 4. 56 divided by 4 equals 14. So the side of this square here will be 14 plus 5, or 19. X equals 14. Okay, well that's it for this section, multiplying polynomials. If you have questions, you can check out the homework. Bring your questions to class. I'll see you there.